Hi everyone, my name is Trisa. You can call me Risa. Welcome to Risa channel. Hi everyone, my name is Trisa. You can call me Risa. Welcome to Risa channel. I've always wanted to make this headband, and because Halloween is coming up real soon, let's get started. I use velvet fabric for this. I like the texture of this fabric. It looks so glamorous. With the fabric folded in half, it should be wide enough to draw the template. I'll show you how to draw the template. Prepare a paper with the size 12 cm by 8 cm. You can modify the size. Draw a line on the center and draw a curvy line from here to here and here. Once again, you can always modify this template. Place it here, and I use this fabric marker. I've been asked a lot about this, so I'll write this in the description. Trace the template and sew the line. If you don't have a sewing machine, simply sew it manually. If you think velvet fabric is quite difficult to sew, maybe it's the sewing needle. I used 90-40 needle to sew this part. Cut it out and trim the curvy part. This may seem trivial, but the result is better if we trim this part. Make sure you don't cut through the thread. Turn it inside out and use something pointy to push the corner. We don't really celebrate Halloween here, especially in pandemic situation like this. Please let me know, how do you celebrate Halloween? Then you can stuff the devil horn using anything like Dacron, scrap fabric, felt fabric, or if you have any idea, you can comment below. Then finish the fabric with running stitch around. You can use any fabric to make this devil horn. Any fabric, any color, it's your choice. I like this velvet fabric, especially the red color. It looks so bloody or glamorous, we say, or simply gorgeous. And it's so soft too. And last, a piece of felt fabric. Our devil horn is finished, and we need 2 pieces. I don't have a black headband to match my hair, so I cover the headband using black fabric, and you can see the ruffle here. I don't really like the ruffle, but it's hidden when I wear the headband. Adjust the horn position. Maybe it's here or here. You can purchase a headband that matches the color of your hair or your costume, and it's more convenient. Saving time, save much time, because covering the headband is quite time consuming, especially when you want to turn the fabric. Simply attach the horn and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.